Hello friends, today I will show you how to add new layer on Google App Designer. So if you want to add layer, then you can go to your Google App Designer software. Now if you want to layer, so maybe before you need to know how type of you add layer like shape and text layer, image layer, you can add anything. I will show you how to add shape. Alright. So if you want to add the layer, then you can go this Elementor. All right, then you can draw here as you want with the new layer. I just show you dummy purpose. This is the layer. Now, if you want to change the color, then you can go to the property. If you want to change the go to layer color, then scroll down. This is the layer. Then click properties, scroll down, and border color style is the fill color. Now, if you want to change the fill color, all right. So that's it. Thank you for the watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.